This is Nitish from IAMNK.com. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to get a free cPanel hosting for yourself for education purpose or setting up your own profile page. You might have seen few videos on this topic, but I assure you this is totally different from other videos. Before we get into the actual video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, as I'm going to post more exciting videos in future and you can learn with me step by step as I learn. If you are a parent, you may ask your child to subscribe to my channel and enable them to learn website development or create a fancy profile page, create a family photo album, learn video editing, or even make a website for your business. Also, my future videos will cover the technologies that are needed for small and medium businesses. Before we proceed, you need to have a domain name to have a hosting, because we do not provide subdomain hosting on the server. If you do not have one, watch my other video on how to get a free lifetime domain. If you want a domain for business, I recommend Namecheap, as you get the domain for really cheap with free privacy protection, and they are one of the largest domain registrars. If you haven't done this before, do not worry. We are going to see everything step by step and do it with simple clicks like how you work on Windows PC or smartphone. Alright, now let's get on to the video. There are two simple steps involved in this process. Step 1. Signing up on the website www.iamnk.com. I mainly use this to validate mobile number for security reasons. Step 2. Signing up on the management portal at https://manage.iamnk.com, which will be used to manage your cPanel hosting account. I assure you that the hosting is totally safe. No ads, no virus or malware, no stealing of data, and guaranteed to work because you're going to host a website on a dedicated server. Also, you'll get free SSL to protect your site, while some hosting providers charge you as high as $69.99 per year for SSL. Important note: this hosting is free for 1 year only, as it is for educational purpose. But after 1 year, if you wish to switch to a different hosting provider, you may do so or upgrade to a paid service. Step 1. You have to first visit the website www.iamnk.com and click on Free cPanel Hosting on the top right corner of the website. It will take you to a form. Please read everything on the page carefully. Do not use unreal name, email address or mobile number. You are not going to sell your data to anyone. It will only be used for our communication. If you are a student, please use your school email ID, and we will prioritize legitimate students' account. While you might see a green progress bar with 3 steps on the top. The first page is the only place where you'll be filling up the details, and the next 2 pages are just some important terms and conditions of the free hosting. Now, the first step is to validate your mobile number. To do this, you have to delete the existing country code and enter your country code. As I'm in India, I'm going to enter +91 followed by the 10-digit mobile number. Similarly, if you're in US, use +1 followed by a mobile number. Click Send OTP, which is one-time password. You'll see a pop-up window to enter the OTP. Enter the OTP received on your mobile. Normally, it will send OTP within few seconds. If you haven't received, you may retry a couple of times. Please reach out to me via email if you are having problems receiving the OTP, and I'll look into it. After entering the correct OTP, you'll get "Thank you for verification" message. Click OK. Now fill up your first name, last name, email address, the real one, and your registered domain name. If this is not matching with whois records, you may not get your free hosting approved. To quickly check domain availability, hover on Tools on the top menu bar and click on Cheap Domains. You'll be able to find your favorite domain availability. Also, you can get a lifetime free domain if you do not have one. Now, read the first condition on the page and click on I agree and move to the next page. The next two pages are important terms and conditions of the service. Read points carefully and click on I agree and click next. On the third page, read the quick terms of service and click submit. Now, you'll be taken to thank you page. Do not close this page. From here, you're going to complete step 2 of the process. To do this, click on complete cPanel registration. If you have accidentally closed, do not worry. You can visit www.iamnk.com/thank-u. Step 2. Now we are going to sign up on the management portal. This will assign you a cPanel account and manage your hosting from a single window. To do this, first enter your domain name and the TLD extension that you have already taken for free or purchased and click use. The next step, you'll see free hosting package added to your account automatically. The promo code would have automatically applied and you should see the charges as 0 in the cart. Now click checkout to go to the next page. In this page, fill your personal details like name, email address, mobile number and address details. Please ensure that the details are same as you fill on the main website in step 1. This will help me to process your account quickly. Now choose a desired password or click Generate Password to generate a random password. The next field, confirm the password. Now scroll down and check I have read and agree to the terms of service and click Complete Order. You may optionally join our mailing list to receive occasional marketing emails from us. You would have also received an email from us to validate your email ID. Find the email from IAMNK and click on the verification link. If you do not find it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder and mark it as not spam to receive account-related emails. That is all. Your hosting account will be ready in few hours from the registered time. I process all accounts after manual verification, so please be patient. Once your account is ready, you'll receive an automatic email with credentials. Alternatively, you'll be able to log in to your management portal, that is https://manage.imnk.com. Log in with your email ID and password. You'll be able to see your hosting account under Services section. Now click on Active. It will open up a new page. From the left side menu bar, click Login to cPanel to log into your cPanel account. Also, you'll be able to see the login credentials in your email. If you don't see your email, it will be available in the email section under your name, as you see on this video. In my next video, you are going to see how to install CMS and make your dream website live in just few minutes. Until then, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you may do it now to get notified first on my upcoming videos.